It's Field Day 2022, and we're talking lighting. Hello, my name is John, W7DBO, and this is the Field Radio channel. Thank you for clicking and tuning in on this Field Day prep video. This video is going to be dedicated towards lighting, and so naturally, I put myself in the dark so you can see what lighting options we have. So I have some lighting options here that I've used in the field and tested for many years, and they have worked amazingly well. They all happen to be Goal Zero products. Now, this is not a sponsored video, but hey, Goal Zero, if you're watching, hit me up because I really like your products. So the first one is, we'll go down their Lighthouse line. And so this first one is just a little tiny, it looks like a flashlight. All these have internal batteries, USB rechargeable. So nothing is an external battery or replaceable battery. But if you push the battery light once, you get your typical flashlight. So this is great. You have a flashlight, you're walking around. Then you can drop it down into lantern mode. And then the great thing I love with all the Goal Zero products is you can turn off half of the light. So as I rotate this around, you can see that half of the lights have been turned off. So you can set this on the table. It has a nice base. And you can turn off the half that's facing you, so you're not getting blinded by the light. Okay, so this is their little one. Their next step up is this little guy, Lighthouse. And this one changes from just being a flashlight to now it's a lantern that has adjustable intensity. But once again, you can select only what side you want to be on. And so that's a great option. Once again, this one does have legs, and so you can sit it on the table. It also has a open hook and a close hook up top to be able to do some different mounting options. Once again, internal battery, USB rechargeable. Okay, so the next one up is the next one in their line. You can kind of see this one's a little bit bigger. Now this one does not have a base, but it does have a magnetic bottom. So if you wanted to stick it upside down to something, and it is still, once again, internal battery, USB rechargeable. Intensity comes up quite a bit. You're just getting, that's a whole 360 light. So you're getting a brighter footprint. Everything is nice and diffused. That's what I like about these products too. They're not harsh light. You're getting that diffused light. Okay, their next step up is this bigger one. We're going back to the ability to flip down some legs and stand it up. It does have the diffused lighting, and it is brighter, of course, because it's just a bigger lantern. And it does have this really cool flashing LED. Maybe you could use that for like, I'm on the air, don't mess with me. I don't know. It's kind of funny they have that. But this one does have a hand crank, so you can sit there and charge it. And I had one that was like really low on battery, and I just sat there and played with this for a while, and I surprisingly got the battery level up quite a bit. So if you're looking for emergency prep and ability to regenerate your lanterns. Okay, so that's the last of that line. And then another fun one that I actually use in my go bags now is this Crush. It's called the Crush. And it's really thin. It does have a little solar panel that'll recharge, but this will pop out into a lantern that has a hook so you can hang it. And this does quite a bit of good diffused light. Once again, you can select your intensity. I've used this with our kids as a night light while camping, and 10 hours later, the thing's still running. So that's a great option if you want to just have something portable, lightweight, that can fit inside your gear. Okay, last option is these USB. They all plug in on a USB port, so they have no battery. But they're, call them party lights, really. They're just hanging lights, and each one is adjustable in intensity. You can go low power or high power. And then every one of them has this hook on the end where you can carabiner them, and they typically come with a carabiner. Now these are daisy chain, and they come in a set that are already daisy chained with a few, but you can buy extras and continue the daisy chain for a while. And so these are great to hook up, especially if you're trying to clip around an easy up or a tent. or inside the trailer, just trying to get more direct light. And so these are their Goal Zero little USB lights. Now they do have another larger one that's called Light-A-Life. And it is also daisy chainable. I don't have them here, but those are ones I typically like set outside and hook to my canopy. They are very bright, and they, once again, they're all daisy chainable, but that's not a USB one. That's actually a Goal Zero green plug, which is their 12 volt. So they run on 12 volts. So you can either use the Goal Zero adapter to get it to power pole, and then you can plug those in. So all of these that I've showed you here are all USB chargeable. That's why I like them. And so I hope you found this helpful. We're just kind of here playing camping, and so I thought I'd throw out some things that I normally carry along and hope this helps for field day. So more videos to come. So thank you for watching. My name is John, W7DBO with the Field Radio channel. Let's get our gear together and let's get outdoors.